Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Tecno Phantom V Flip. All you need to do at the beginning is opening Play Store and getting the same app on both smartphones, constant anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Flip. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by scanning the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access and point it at the code. To enter this key, just tap on Input key, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!